her nails.
So that's what they look like. And you're going to show us how to make them, are you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Then you fold it like this.
Yeah.
Then fold it like this so it looks like a house. And then make it look good. This way. Yeah.
You know.
What are you doing?
Nothing. We're watching Sissy.
This bit this way. So it looks like this. And then you put this and fold it onto this. So it looks like that.
That's pretty cool.
And then you fold in half again. Then you unfold it. And then this bit's the tricky bit. And then do that. So it looks like this.
How many of these are you going to make?
You could make like 10 for all your fingers or 5 for
Are you going to do that?
any.
Are you going to make 10?
One in this video.
Just one?
Yeah, in the video.
I reckon you can do 10.
And a full
What about
video.
put them on Charlie? What do you reckon?
And then this will make it look like that, and then you fold this like that for it look like that. And then you flip it over. And flip this bit over so it looks like that. And then do that. With this bit, with this bit, you fold into this little hole. Pretty hard. And then there's your paper nail.
Look at that. That easy. I reckon you can do 10.
That. And you can do 10 or...
I reckon you do it and I'll watch. Or
I
you
don't
do
want to though.
it. You don't want it? Why not?
Cause.
What?
Cause.
You going to put it on Charlie?
All done.
Put the nail on Charlie.
Charlie, you wear the nail. Ready to do that?
And poke Sissy with it.
Do you like it? I got binders, you know. Hey, no.